So you are trying to isolate yourself, you're trying to self-reflect, you're trying to do your own work basically. You don't want to deal with other people and other people's BS, okay? What else for Gemini? Ooh, I'm gonna put these back so many people out. Give me a message for Gemini. Okay, so we have Queen of Cups, love, love, love. There could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that's having their eye on you. Some of you, I think, Six of Cups. What's up with this person, Gemini? What I see is Gemini. Woo, wow. So we have Five of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Hermit card. I see that you feel abandoned by someone. I think you think that somebody is over you and this person left you out in the cold. Okay, you trusted them a lot, you did so much for them, but then they did not pay it back to you. On the contrary, this person's feeling for you is Queen of Cups and the Six of Cups. So when you have made your mind to give up on the situation, and I think some of you have already given up on the situation with this person because you think they do not reciprocate, you are feeling pissed basically right now. But see, this person is trying to come back, Gemini. Someone from the past wants to reconnect. You think they don't have any emotions for you, but they do. And it looks to me like they have a lot of emotions. And I also feel that some of you being in this hermit mode, you were trying to manifest this communication from someone or a reconciliation with someone. I think your wish is granted. But you know, for most part, like as much as you were trying to manifest this communication, but on the outer you were giving up on the situation. I think you've given up on the situation. But this person is not giving up on you. Someone coming from the past. Probably a Virgo or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. What else for Gemini in love, please? What is Gemini doing in love? Five of Wands. Yeah, you think it's a constant battle with this person and you can't play anymore. You think that you are in some sort of competition. You know, like to be with this person, it's a lot of competition, or it's just a mental hassle. And you think you can't do it anymore. You are pissed off, Gemini, aren't you? And I, being a Gemini, I'm really pissed off too. Yeah, Five of Swords, 5 and 5. There could be a major change coming in your way, but right now I think that this person you are dealing with, they bring in a lot of conflicting energies towards you. Like they say something, they mean something else. Very opportunist kind of person. They just think about themselves first. Okay? They just think about themselves first. Like they will only do something if it benefits them, and that kind of pisses you off because you are very giving and this person is not as much, and you think it's a waste of time to invest into this person. Okay, what else for Gemini, please? Seven of Pentacles. I think you're trying to isolate yourself from this love situation. You do not want to deal with them and you're trying to work on your money and your career. Like I think right now you're making plans for your career. You might be investing somewhere, you might be buying properties, or you're just making plans of doing that. Right now I think you're very much focused on your money and investments. Okay, that's what the Seven of Pentacles is. You're trying to invest your money for future, for long-term goals, and you are not paying attention to love. Or you don't want to for now. For now, you're just trying to take a break because you think this person brings you in a lot of conflicting energy. 5, 5, 5, by the way. Some of you are headed towards a very major change and you might not see it right now with the Seven of Pentacles. The change is going to be a little slow, but I think your money especially is going to improve so much. What else for Gemini? What is Gemini person's energy towards Gemini, please? What is Gemini person's energy towards Gemini? Okay, so we have Nine of Cups. Gemini, are you sure this person do not want you? Like you think they don't, but see the cards. The Queen of Cups, the Six of Cups, the Nine of Cups. Some of you definitely messing with a water sign. I think this person thinks that you are some sort of wish fulfillment. See Gemini, 10 of Cups. And the Three of Wands. This person is looking for a forward movement with you, and I think some of you, this person feels like they are at home, like with you they feel like being at home. Okay, Like they can just talk to you everything very freely. You give them some sort of mental support, emotional support. This person feels a lot at ease with you, and they are looking for forward movement with you. Like when you are trying to distance yourself from this person, isolate yourself from this person, they are attracted to you, and like hell, so attracted to you, Gemini. So I think you're trying to give up on something when you're very close to achieving it. Yeah, Four of Cups. You're not paying attention, Gemini. I think you've made your mind that I do not want to pay attention for whatever they've done to you, but things are changing for good. This person wants to have a new beginning with you. The World card. They want to travel with you. They want to go places with you. Maybe this is someone who travels a lot by themselves as well, and they want to do it more with you. King of Cups. Someone is in love with you, Gemini, and you are assuming the absolute opposite of it. You think it's over, for them it's not. So this person's next move towards my Gemini, please. This person's next move towards, so we have Four of Swords. Your person is taking time. That is the only problem with them. I think you want everything, like you are being impatient right now is what I see, Gemini, and being a Gemini I understand that. So you know what's your problem, Gemini? Like when you want something to happen, you just want it to happen at the very moment, and if it do not happen at the very moment, then you be like, I don't even want it. You know, we Geminis don't have a middle ground. So if something has to happen, it has to happen right now, or I don't want it. So you are in that sort of energy. You want this offer from this person, and you are not looking for anything unstable. The Ace of Pentacles is the most stable offer, and it is coming in, but it's coming in very slow. Your person is taking time, Gemini. They're taking time, but they want you. There's no second guesses here. So will this person make a move towards, so we have two cards, Nine of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups. Yeah. See, they love you. They definitely adore you, but you know, your person has a lot going on in their life. Or maybe they are someone who just can't make up their mind very quickly like you. So they need time, but they definitely put you at the pedestal, Gemini. The Nine of Pentacles, they see you as someone who's very abundant, someone who's very beautiful, someone who is very self-sufficient. And I think they also think that you are out of their league. They stalk you on social media. Do you know that? If you are on social media, this person stalks you. They stalk the hell out of you. And by stalking your profile, they have made an opinion that you are out of their league, and that is why they are not taking a move towards you as quickly as you would want them to. This person is also scared to approach you, like there's a hesitant energy. So what's going to be the final move here? What's the final outcome? So we have the Four of Wands. Freaking Four of Wands, Gemini. See, for some of you, I also sense that there is someone from the past who did you nasty. Could be an air sign, but need not be. I see that there are two people actually, Gemini. But for some of you, it could be one person as well. But if you can recollect who the second person could be, like as soon as I say two people, and if you have two people in your mind, I think there are two people interested in you. One could be a water or a fire or an earth sign versus an air sign. I can see a choice basically. I see someone did you nasty and they're repenting on it. This person is regretting whatever they did to you and they want to come back, but by the time they come back, you have moved on to a new person, which is like a very good option. Ace of Swords, a lot of clarity coming in. If you blocked someone or if someone blocked you, I see unblocking and stalking. Unblocking and stalking. Wow. Someone is gonna unblock you and they're gonna stalk you. They are doing that already. I see someone from the past is very much interested to know everything about you, and they might be asking people about you as well. You might hear some sort of gossip about you, and that would be things like Gemini is doing really well, Gemini forgot me, Gemini is not paying attention to me, something like that, you know. This person is not liking that you're climbing ladders in life, especially your money and career, and they feel rejected on so many levels. though they did that to you, but now this person feels rejected. I see someone is reaching with communication right now. They're gathering information. So they are trying to gather all the information, facts and figures, and then they will come to you. Very strong air sign. Anything else for Gemini? And then we'll go to romance angel cards. So we have the Fool card. Gemini, you definitely have a new beginning in love, in career, or whatever. See, Ace of Cups and the Star card. Frick in Gemini. Gemini, you are the star. People have their eye on you. Some of you dealing with an Aquarius, Aries, Gemini, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I definitely see a potential for a new beginning, but there is an option for reconciliation as well. You choose which one do you want. And you know, to be honest, I don't think this new person is a new person, like completely new. For some of you, this is also someone whom you've known somehow, and they're coming in, and they could be from a different religion or culture or community is what I see. Okay, yeah, definitely two choices, Gemini. See, the Fool card is a new beginning and Star is a reconciliation. Ace of Cup is again reconciliation, rekindling of emotions, you know. So you definitely have love coming in, and like a lot of it, and you decide which one do you want, new or the old. I see, definitely. If somebody blocked you, just go back and check. I think this person has unblocked you, or they will very soon. Alright, give me a message for Gemini, or you might do it to them. Make the effort. So someone is definitely going to make an effort. And I think people are willing to make an effort. Healing family issues. Some of you, I think you are having some family issues lately. Like so many things are happening one after the other. So you are taking a break from love and you're trying to focus things to make your family situation better, or maybe your career or finances. Some of you, you need to really trust that love is around you. You feel that love is not around you. People are not interested, but people are, honey. People are. You are a Gemini. How can't be people interested? Like, people are always interested in Gemini. Don't even second guess. Okay? You need to trust a bit. Alright, let's take a Moonology card for Gemini. So we have a fiery climax approaches. So if you're waiting for some sort of climax in your love life, it's going to happen. Balance spirituality and practicality. Some of you, I think you're being very spiritual and very less practical, or very practical and very less spiritual. Try to balance between both. Okay, some of you dealing with the Pisces, Aries very strongly, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Another Gemini. Communication is the key. Some of you not communicating clearly. You need to do that, and I see that someone is going to communicate very clearly to you. Might be dealing with another Gemini. If you're dealing with another Gemini and having communication issues, that's gonna resolve. Okay, the signs that came out are Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Gemini, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, yeah, Virgo. Yeah, those are the signs. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye bye.